How to activate an Axxon Next license. There are two ways of activating your license, depending on whether you have paid for it. If you have not paid for the license, click the Activate Axxon Next button. In the next window, select a way to get your system configuration. This configuration will be included in your activation request. If the system has already been fully configured in demo mode, click the Use Current Configuration button. Otherwise, click the Set Required Configuration button. In the window that appears, enter the number of servers and video channels that you need, as well as whether to include forensic search of archived video. Then click the Checkmark button. The utility creates an activation request file. Save this file in one of three ways. One way is to click the Save button, and in the standard Windows dialog box, set a name and location for saving the request file. Give the request file to an Axxon Soft representative, who will use it to generate an invoice. After you pay the invoice, you are given a license file or serial number. To activate using a serial number, click the Enter Serial Number button. In the following window, enter your serial number and click OK. If the system has been fully configured in demo mode and its configuration matches the paid-for functionality, click the Use Current Configuration button. Otherwise, click the Set Required Configuration button. In the window that appears, enter the number of servers and video channels that you need, as well as whether to include forensic search. Make sure the installed configuration matches what you've paid for, or else activation will not be successful. Then click the Checkmark button. If the computer is connected to the Internet, the license is activated automatically. If the computer is not connected to the Internet, you are prompted to save the request file. Give the activation request file to an Axxon Soft representative or generate a license file yourself on the licensing server. How to generate a license file and how to apply it is described in a separate tutorial.